One of the questions I always asked myself is, who am I? And this wasn't a spiritual question, it was a very existential question. And it was a very existential question, not coming to me with a midlife crisis, but it came to me when I found out that my son was autistic and the diagnosis was given to me. And it changed my life. And I always say that a diagnosis comes for the entire family and not just for the child. Let me tell you a little about my son. My son is here. He is 15 now. He was diagnosed at the age of 4. He has been, since then, going to a special school. We have changed 9 schools in the last 10 years. He had his first seizure, which was an unprovoked seizure at the age of 10, after which he had to go on medication, and he had put on weight after that. But the medication started. Now he's at much better place. He was very young when the diagnosis came, and he was at that point in time taking therapies. We were in Bangalore और हम therapy के लिए हर जगह जाते थे और हम कम से कम 2.5 से 3 घंटा जो था वो रोज़ हम गाड़ी में होते थे. So all of this was happening, and around this time I took a break, I took a sabbatical, and I started learning more about autism, and awareness की बहुत ज़रूरत एक parental level पे भी थी. So, I was telling myself, how I need to be a better parent to him. But is that the introduction I want to give to the world about my son? That he is autistic, just autistic, and that he has had these difficulties, or that he has changed 9 schools? I think I can say that, my son ran the 5 kilometers last year at a marathon. I can also say that my son does 500 pieces puzzles in no time, and he will not do it via the boundary, but he will do it like a picture, like how it comes as a pixel. Can I tell the world that my non-verbal son sings the most beautiful songs to me, even if they are not in tune? Can I also tell that my son helps me in the kitchen, and that he is all of 15. He may be a teenage who is going through all of the things that he is going through, which neurotypical and neurodiverse everybody goes through in their teenage, but can still give me hugs on demand. I mean, there are a lot of things that I can say for my son which are beyond his label, right? Then why am I just a parent? Why am I just a caregiver? Why can I not also move from this label? I started working at the age of 19. I was on television screens. I was a news journalist. I was doing very well. I went abroad to study. I was working with BBC. I came back, was working for Aaj Tak. I was working for NDTV. And life was great. My sports journalist husband is here, Gaurav Kalra, and we made a picture-perfect family till the time the diagnosis hit us. And we thought, this is it. Was it it? It took me time. I took a sabbatical for 3 years to understand what this new normal meant for us. In that time, I thought, कि शायद मेरी ज़िंदगी अब ख़त्म है, शायद मैं कभी वापस काम पे नहीं जा पाऊंगी, शायद मेरी फैमिली जो कि इतनी बड़ी थी और हम हर फंक्शन में जाया करते थे और मैं हर फंक्शन में पार्टी की जान हुआ करती थी, क्या मैं अब वहाँ जा सकती हूँ? क्या मुझे लोग वैसे ही एक्सेप्ट करेंगे? क्या जब मेरा बच्चा जो है वो बड़ा हो रहा है और जब दूसरे बच्चों की बर्थडे पार्टीज़ होती हैं, तो क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे शायद वो मुझे इनवाइट ना करें because of my child's behavior issues? There were a lot of things that were going in my mind around that time. और वो 3 साल में I think मुझे एक चीज़ का तो अंदाज़ा बहुत अच्छे से हो गया था that if I am not happy, my child is not going to be happy. My child would absorb my energy like a magician. If I was unhappy, he would be unhappy. If I was anxious, it was almost like he was trying to be with me in that same emotion. तो अगर एंग्जाइटी है तो उसको ये नहीं पता था कि मेरी एंग्जाइटी को बदलने के लिए उसे खुश रहना है या वो अपने जो बिहेवियर इश्यूज हैं शायद उसे कम करे जिसकी वजह से मैं परेशान हो रही हूँ. He would think that anxiety, that means I need to be partner with her in her anxiety. And that's when I realized that if I am happy, if I am in control, my child is happy and is responsive. And I think I was operating from a place of massive guilt and fear. अगर मैं सोचती भी थी कि आज मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना है या मैं किसी से मदद मांगूं और मैं किसी से बोलूं कि तुम मुझे हेल्प कर सकते हो, मेरे बेटे को थोड़ी देर देख सकती हो, या asking that help even from my own parents felt like a burden. और यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग बैठे हुए हैं मैं ये शर्तिया कह सकती हूँ, asking for help and accepting help is the toughest thing for you all to do, because it comes from the lens of sympathy and pity and not from empathy. And that is the reason why most caregivers feel isolated, because they are not understood. They feel that their children will not be accepted, they will not be accepted, and so they get away from the mainstream life which was theirs before the diagnosis came. Now, one of the things that I did after our diagnosis came was trying to understand how to change this narrative. And my life also changed. लेकिन मुझे नहीं है डिसेबिलिटी या मेरी कोई तकलीफ नहीं है या मेरे कोई स्पेशल सपोर्ट नीड्स नहीं है, तो उसकी वजह से क्या मैं इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं हूँ? But as a caregiver, I needed that support. I needed to be understood. I needed a community of my own. And that's when we launched the Caregiver Wellness Movement. With the Caregiver Wellness Movement, we say कि आप भी important हो, आपकी सेहत भी important है. और वो किस लिए? Because the one question that every special need parents they have in their minds is, what after me? मेरे बच्चे का क्या होगा? कौन मेरे बच्चे को उतना ही प्यार करेगा जितना मैं करती हूँ? कौन मेरे बच्चे के ज़रूरतों का ख्याल रखेगा? ठीक है, the disability is there, but he will grow as an individual and he will outlive me. Who is going to take care of my child? And then to understand that you have to live long for it. So the caregiver wellness becomes important because you have to live long for your child. It is not for superficial, artificial, or cosmetic reasons that you need to keep fit. It is to stay healthy. It is to live long and to be there for your child. और ये सब करने के लिए आपको अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना होगा. लेकिन हम में से कितने ऐसे लोग हैं जो कि अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखते हैं? हम में से कितने ऐसे लोग हैं जो कि अपनी mental health का ख्याल रखते हैं? And then, you know, the classic thing comes in. Parents also hold resentment कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए अपनी ज़िंदगी छोड़ी. How does that make them feel? I'm sure everybody who is here would hate to hear कि मेरी वजह से आपने अपनी ज़िंदगी क्यों छोड़ी? And that is the worst thing to tell to your child with any kind of support needs. कि आपने उनके लिए अपनी ज़िंदगी को जीना छोड़ दिया. आपकी भी एक ज़िंदगी है, आपको भी ज़िंदगी दोबारा नहीं मिलेगी, और इसके लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अपने आप को भी प्रायोरिटाइज करें. And that was the reason why I wrote a book. It is a self-care handbook for parents with children with special needs. It's called I See You, I Get You. The book is getting launched today. It has taken me a while to write this because I was also looking for my support system. और वो सपोर्ट सिस्टम बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर मैं किसी पेरेंट से कहती थी या मेरी फ्रेंड्स से कहती थी कि यू नो व्हाट, टुडे माधव हैड अ मेल्टडाउन एंड आई एम एग्जॉस्टेड, वर्सेस सेइंग दिस टू अ पेरेंट फ्रॉम द स्पेशल नीड्स कम्युनिटी, एंड आई सेड, you know, Madhav had a meltdown and I'm exhausted. एंड शी वुड टर्न अराउंड एंड से, अच्छा ठीक है, मेल्टडाउन कितनी देर लास्ट हुआ, तुमने ये किया, तुमने वो किया, उसके बाद तुमने क्या किया, आर यू ऑल राइट, डिड यू स्पीक टू दिस डॉक्टर, आई कैन सजेस्ट दिस पर्सन टू यू. हाउ हैज दिस कम्युनिटी कम? बिकॉज आई एम सीकिंग दैट कम्युनिटी. और जो मेरी जर्नी एज अ मदर है, वो केवल एक मदर जिसकी सिमिलर जर्नी है वो ही समझ सकती है, कोई और नहीं समझ सकता. एवरीबडी एल्स वर्क्स फ्रॉम द लेंस ऑफ सिंपथी, बट camaraderie लेंस से केवल हमारी कम्युनिटी है जो कि काम करती है. Now there are 3 reasons, time is up, but I'm gonna just speak for 2 more minutes. There are 3 reasons why caregiver inclusion is important. The government does not support us. We need 2 incomes in the house. So we need caregiver inclusion at the workplace. आपको अपने घरों से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा अगर आपको वो सारी चीज़ें अपने बच्चों के लिए चाहिए जो कि गवर्नमेंट आपको नहीं देती है, जो कि दूसरे कंट्रीज़ में गवर्नमेंट देती है. आपकी स्कूल की फ़ीस है, शैडो टीचर है, आपके थेरेपीज़ हैं, आपकी रेमिडियल क्लासेस हैं. द गवर्नमेंट डजंट पे फॉर एनी ऑफ दीज. Health insurance is in a crisis in this country when it comes to people with special needs. Autism का coverage जो है वो 5 लाख रुपए है. Now the point is कि अगर आपको अपने राइट्स के लिए लड़ना है तो आपको एज अ केयर गिवर सामने आना है. और जैसे कि मॉर्निंग में आपने कहा था कि टैक्सेशन फैमिलीज़ के लिए नहीं होना चाहिए जिनके स्पेशल नीड्स बच्चे हैं या जिनके डिसेबिलिटी जिनमें है, या जहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं कि इतने खर्चे जो हैं वो केवल दवाइयों पे हो रहे हैं, थेरेपीज़ पे हो रहे हैं, मेडिकेशन पे हो रहे हैं. In the same way, caregiver inclusion at workplace is very important. Caregiver inclusion in the society is very important because जब तक आप अपनी आवाज़ को बुलंद नहीं करेंगे, कोई दूसरा आपके लिए नहीं आएगा. And with that, I offer the book to you. It has some little anecdotal sharings and some things that you can take back in your own life. मैंने उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी कहानी डालने की कोशिश नहीं की है क्योंकि मैं ये स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करती हूँ कि यहाँ जितने पेरेंट्स बैठे हैं हम सबकी कहानी एक सी है. एंड आई completely understand all of you. With that, I present to you, I see you, I get you. May I please request Firoz to come on stage, and I'll just ask my husband and my son to join me on stage for all of you to have a look at the book. And 2 very special women in my life जिन्होंने मेरे इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट को बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया है. माई co-founders at Not That Different, Nidhi and Archana, please come on stage. Nidhi and Archana are mothers to neurotypical children, but they have launched India's biggest movement of training young adults, teachers, people at large, and self-advocates to come forward and talk about autism and other stuff. Naturally brilliant, occasionally clueless is here. This is Madhav. He definitely has no stage fear. And I request every caregiver to please prioritize yourself because you are very, very, very important. Thank you.
As a special gift to all the caregivers especially the mothers in this room, we have procured 100 copies of the book for you. Please take it and get it signed by Mugdha as well. Okay? Thank you.